So we heard that we now have the oldest living person, 117 years old. I think they call her Miss V.
Yeah, Violet Brown.
There she is, right there. Unfortunately, her son, who was the oldest living son of a,
well, oldest person to have a living parent.
World's oldest son with a living parent. He's passed on at 97. And I was just watching news last evening, and they were speaking to him and asking him if he thinks he would make the century.
Yeah.
And he was suggesting that he wasn't certain, but it's sad. Condolences to the family. Very sad, but 97, and Miss V has outlived her 97-year-old son.
Yeah.
And Miss V, I was listening to her last evening, still had
Sprightly.
a great memory. She could remember that she was baptized at 13 years old, and
wow.
she quoted something from the Psalms. Fantastic. But again, condolences that she...
I've been suggesting that the mayor in Trelawney needs to put up a sign, "Welcome to Trelawney, home of the world's fastest human and the world's oldest human."
Yeah, there you go. His name, by the way, is Harold Fairweather. And he says he had recently been ill, but had seemed to recover. He got up saying he felt dizzy and then deteriorated over the course of the morning. He had been unwell for some time, but we didn't expect him to go like this, says one of the two family caretakers who were at home at the time. He lived with his 117-year-old mother, Violet Brown, in the rural northwestern Jamaican community of Douanville.
Douanville, yes.
So you pronounce it, Douanville?
Yes.
He was born and raised there, but spent much of his life in Britain. There you go. All right, so again, condolences.
Yeah.
Number 2, Serena.
Williams.
Yeah, so we...
All these sports moms. So we have our own Shelley and Fraser Price. And now America has Serena. She's expecting with her fiance, Alexis Ohanian. Now this girl at 20 weeks, just go out there, go beat up everybody on the court. I'm telling you. Look at that. 20 weeks, you know.
So we're going to miss Miss Shelley for a little while. And I think this lady is the greatest tennis player ever. I think she's the greatest female tennis player ever to hit the courts. And we're going to miss her for a while. By the way, let me go back to, I think I said here, it says Harold Fairweather, but his name is Harland Fairweather, and I'm corrected. Thank you, Novlin. Yep, so we're going to...
Yeah, so that's Serena. Congrats,
she is
Serena.
Outstanding. So I still think she's going to come back and continue.
Of course.
But who is her husband, though?
Alexis Ohanian. He's
who is this
tech
man?
entrepreneur.
Not husband. They're married?
Fiance.
Okay.
They're not yet
so
married.
who is this man?
He's a tech entrepreneur and best-selling author from the U.S. He's the co-founder of the social news website Reddit.
What is Reddit, please? Reddit is like a... What me have? WhatsApp? Reddit is something like that? What is Reddit?
I think it's a little bit more advanced.
What is Reddit? Nobody don't know. So when I laugh after me and nobody don't know.
No, I mean, there are just like very few differences with all these sites.
So you don't know. In other words, you don't know what is Reddit.
No, I know what Reddit is. Donald Trump used Reddit very successfully during the U.S. elections. You can post
Google
stuff
and
on
tell
it.
What is Reddit.
It's a social
I want to know what is
news
Reddit.
website, so you can post stuff on it.
Like what? What is it like? No, just tell me anybody. Keznam, you know what Reddit is? No. So what?
But me and try
anybody know what Reddit is?
Anybody know what it is?
Reddit alive? So just hold on. Here, Google it and tell me.
What me I tell you, here is a social news congregation,
like
just like Facebook, just like.
Ask you.
But what you do is
okay, see there, Reddit is an American social news aggregation, web content rating and discussion website. No, I didn't disagree with you. I said to you, like what?
But I was trying to explain it. I said, nobody tell me. No, me see why Mabel used to walk you.
Well, walk me? Wait, can I have my phone back, please? I still don't know what.
So the thing about it now too is that it will pick up topics. And then it kind of, it rates and ranks the topics, and so you're trending. They don't use the word trending on Reddit, but basically that. So yeah, he's the founder. So a lot of people go there. Same way them when I go to Instagram and all other places. The fact is, he's a tech entrepreneur. I saw a lot of people yesterday commenting on his race, because he's not black. But people, I don't know if we're not gone past that in 2017. We haven't yet. We should.
Oh, gosh.
Love is love.
Oh, gosh.
Love is love. So.
I hope that's not true. Oh, gosh. Anyway, folks. 3 Spirit Airlines to withdraw from Cuba. Oh, man.
Yeah. All right, so we won't do the last one. Can we move to birthdays? All right. So, my friend from when, long time, in there in the UK watching us on One Spot Media, Nadine Williams, good morning, my darling. Couldn't forget your birthday. Adrienne Berry Gray, who's been 20 for the past years. Morning, Adrienne. Happy birthday to you. Our very own Spencer Darlington. Happy birthday to you as well, Spencer. Cherry Natural. The wonderful literary genius, Erna Bradba. Joan Alexander. Charlotte McLean. And there's a wonderful lady, my good friend, Hara. I don't know if you can get this for me. This is Ina Ferguson. They call her Sister Birdie. Morning, my sweetheart. Big Smile Jamaica fan. She watches every morning. Mother of Aston Cook. And Miss Birdie was 94 years old yesterday. So, morning, Miss Birdie.
Everett, work with me. This is my very good friend. Her name is Freisha Bailey. And she works at the First Global Bank in Mandeville. Today is her birthday, Freisha. I hope you have an absolutely amazing day today. Many happy returns. And I have one more here.
You know, one lady tell me for wish her mother happy birthday. I'm going to tell her to remind me. I'm going to see.
This is Brianna James of Elton Park, Spanish Town. Greetings from your mom, Natasha, your dad, Junior, your brother, Javante. I want to say good morning to Corporal Kalito Williams, who works at the Marine Headquarters. Met him last evening at the Jackie Bell Knockout Final. And also good morning to Tamara Spence. Now, Tamara, I met your future husband last night.
What?
He was a police officer. Didn't want to tell me his name. He just wanted to tell you how much he loves you, how much he thinks that you are just the absolutely most brilliant person in life.
So telling me.
I think he wants a little intrigue in all of this.
You don't want somebody else hearing name and Tamara careful.
No, he's my good friend. He's fine. So Tamara,
what's Harold?
have a great day today. And many, well, it's not your birthday. I was going to say many happy returns. Have a great day.
Have a great engagement.
Yeah.
Eileen McCloughan, sorry, that's what I was saying. Debbie and Tiana. Eileen McCloughan, 69. She's Miss Mac from Calabar Muse. So happy birthday to her. And Director Andy from the Kiwanis in Clarendon. Wonderfully, people celebrating birthdays and everything.
Happy birthday, folks.
We'll soon come back. Not going away.